So here's the result of the curbing project. It's been raining. I was putting dirt in the front and reseeding in the front a little bit. Replaced the sprinkler head that I cut off with the sod cutter, but you can see after it's been sealed, the light gray kind of turned a little bit darker. As the borderline guy said, if you use a dark gray from a distance, your curb actually looks kind of black. I guess that's fine with me. I like the way the antique look when you're close up. There's a drain I cut for water to get from behind it. Extended my gutter downspout so the water can get over the curb. I'm going to put a 16 by 16 block in here so that it doesn't just right out here in the front. I'm going to put a 16 by 16 block so that the water kind of doesn't build a big divot in front. Looks pretty good. My lines aren't perfect. If you look here, it's a little wavy, but for my first time doing this, I'm going to say it's good enough. Got to remove some grass in the back, and then I'll remulch in the back, and I'm going to put dirt in the front here yet. And here's another drain at the low spot, and it just keeps going all the way around the house. That took most of the day. I think we did about 300 to 400 feet, I think, with just 2 guys. Definitely having 3 guys would be better. But basically that's it.